Hey everybody, Pineapple Dan here, Niagara Tropics. Just a backyard garden update here. Here we are, October 1st. Still enjoying some sunshine, a little mild today. You know, looking at around 50 degrees, 15 Celsius, that sort of thing. So anyhow, we're still hanging in there. No frost as of yet, but typically we get frost, the first week of November, right around there. More like a killing frost for the Musa B that we saw back here. Anyhow, so again, needle palms put on some good growth this year. Sable minors, Trachycarpus tequila really put on some solid growth this year as well. So very pleased. These Musa B here in the corner did not do anything. I don't know what it is, why they didn't grow, but anyhow, they do their own thing, I suppose. So a couple windmills, double windmills, triple windmills, some larger ones, Pindo in the corner. Canna lilies, of course, those are fun. Got to dig those up really soon, either this weekend or next. Again, giant hibiscus and going on. Windmill palm, and my good buddy there, Kyle, sent me this beautiful little filibusta. Try that one out this year. Thanks, Kyle. And of course, Little Gem put on some nice new growth this year. Again, this was its third summer in the ground here in Niagara, and anyhow, we'll see how it pulls off. So I'm still experimenting with that, but there was some pretty good demand. Crepe myrtle put on some significant growth again this year. Very pleased with that. So anyhow, here's the backyard, and hope you enjoyed it.